Page 202 it starts, my lord.
हमको ये I think it is 202 or it is
yes 202
180 ये क्या है एक रिसर्च ये क्या है ये 202 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है 180 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है
ये 180 है उसको काट दिया
काट दिया गड़बड़ हो गया तो ये you are for the petitioner so you do the paging again I think your paging is not tallying with the court's paging ठीक है ना हाँ ठीक है it is 202 fine it is 180
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, my lord. My apologies.
हाँ
My lord would kindly have page 202, the order of the learned single judge starts. And the relevant is at 209, my lord.
हाँ
If my lord would have para 3, my lord, it is an unnumbered, the third paragraph in that page 209, my lord. The petitioners have... Yes, may I read, my lord?
just one advertisement कहाँ है
My lord, the advertisement, my lord, would find at page 71.
And kindly show that clause in the advertisement which says that if any reserved vacancy for any reason remains unfilled, that vacancy will go to the male
My lord would
candidate.
kindly have to come to page 79.
79. Put the garbage. 79.
I'm sorry, if my lord would kindly come to page 63. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Kindly come to page 63, my lord. 63.
63.
Yes. My lord would have the resolution of 20th January 2016 at 63. Then my lord would kindly come to the relevant part, which is at 65. 65 top. The first part of 65, my lord.
yes
In the event of, I'm so grateful, my lord. In the event of non-availability of qualified female candidates in the same recruitment year, the post can be filled by male candidates of the corresponding category, reserved / non-reserved. The
So
date of this
meaning
is
thereby ki if in the SC category if there is no female candidate,
Indeed.
then that seat will go to a SC male.
in SC male, indeed, ma'am.
And likewise in all the reserved categories.
Indeed, ma'am.
And for non-reserved also, where there is no female candidate, it will go to the reserved, non-reserved male.
Indeed. What is
And
important?
this reservation will be horizontal reservation.
Indeed, ma'am. What is important is this is a government of Bihar Gazette notification dated 20th January 2016.
No, sir. This is the notification.
Yes, ma'am.
Resolution of the state government. Whether based on this resolution, any clause was incorporated in the advertisement for the candidates to know, because the candidate may not be aware.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the law? So it has to be there in the advertisement. So whether it was incorporated or was made part of the advertisement.
Yes, the advertisement says that the recruitment will be done as per the existing rules and as per existing norms. This is what the advertisement says.
अच्छा अब नाउ ठीक है अब हमको एक क्वेश्चन का ये दीजिए I'm just give nothing on merits, nothing on facts. Like suppose if that advertisement was issued in the year 2019 and there was say 80 seats.
Yes.
200 applicants they applied.
Yes.
Now whether all the 80 seats have been filled or not, like in terms of the advertisement,
they have not been filled. They have not been filled. At least 40% of seats are vacant. I have put that. Can I show that one document? We had filed an RTI. at the time of filing the writ petition. 40% have been left vacant.
Just one. आप स्टेट हैं.
Yes.
आपका क्या कहना है?
Lordship, kindly see the para 2 of the review, but they have participated.
No, what they are saying is that they participated, and even if they were not to be, it is not that they participated, they failed, and they are challenging. It is their case, they participated, despite being eligible, they were not selected in breach of the rule which was existing at that point of time. So that is their case. So whether what the case the petitioner is trying to make out is correct or not?
Then I have to seek instruction, Lordship, what I can.
Happily, in fact, you also prepared on the law also, in fact.
आपको you file a reply to the review application
But can I
and
just
file a comprehensive reply, because एक चीज जो अभी भी हमको नहीं समझ में आया ये है कि the advertisement is of the year 2019, the vacancy was of the year 2014 onwards. तो 14 से लेके till the date of advertisement जो भी वैकेंसी आया होगा उसको आप 2019 के एडवर्टीजमेंट में इनकॉर्पोरेट किए होंगे,
कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ होगा,
जो भी हुआ होगा. मान लीजिए कि उस दिन तक 50 वैकेंसी था तो 50 वैकेंसी के लिए वो एडवर्टीजमेंट हुआ होगा. नाउ the date on which the advertisement was issued, the rules were not in existence, 2023 rules. So whatever appointment had to be made, that had to be made in terms of the existing rules, because the advertisement जो हम देखे हैं, may have skipped my attention, the advertisement does not say कि अगर रूल चेंज कर जाएगा तो फिर उसके तहत होगा. तो मीनिंग देयरबाय की जो एग्जिस्टिंग रूल्स है उसके तहत होगा. इनका कहना है कि 21 तक सब अपॉइंटमेंट आप कर लिया है ना, लेकिन अगर आप सही से अपॉइंटमेंट करते तो हमारा भी इसमें होता, लेकिन आपने ठीक से किया नहीं अपॉइंटमेंट, आपने लॉ को फॉलो नहीं किया या जो भी इनका इसमें ग्राउंड है, और 2023 रूल्स का कोई एप्लीकेबिलिटी इन दिस सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस नहीं है. तो आप देन व्हाट ही इज सबमिटिंग prima facie appears to be that
Yes,
he is having
2023 application of rule 2023 is not in fact matlab,
But
applicable in the case of the candidates up to 2019. In fact, this is his submission.
Lordship, I understood.
तो कब फाइल कीजिएगा?
इसको 4 सप्ताह के बाद रखिए.
Look,
We understood your submission.
Can I
We
take
understood your
We
submission.
understand.
Can I take 60
We understand your
seconds?
submission.
Can I take 60 seconds?
अब देखिए, आप वहां आराम से बैठ के कर रहे हैं, यहाँ 4:15 हो गया. It would have been a pleasure had you been here to argue, because most of the time the voice clarity is not there.
I'm so sorry, my lord. Apologies.
नहीं, it's not question of apologizing. होता है जब when virtual mode is allowed.
Yes.
But virtual, when you are arguing a contested case,
My lord.
according to me, I don't know, I may not be having the correct view, but then when a case is contested, it is better to argue in before the court physically.
No, my lord.
वहां से थोड़ा सा भी गड़बड़ होता है, then the entire
My lords
ये
are
खत्म हो.
completely right. My lords are completely right.
आपका आवाज अभी नहीं आ रहा है, बोल रहे हैं बीच में कट जा रहा है.
I understand, my lords. My lords are absolutely right. I bow down to that. It was just that I had a part-heard matter before the apex court today. Therefore, I couldn't come. Otherwise, I would have been physically there. Apologies for that, my lord.
ठीक है.
My lord, can I just take 30 seconds if my lord would permit? Just 30 seconds.
हाँ.
My lord, for the very same recruitment, a judicial inquiry was done. An inquiry at page 211 is, kindly see an order passed by a commission of backward classes at 211. And it was found that everything which has been done in the recruitment is wrong, especially the roster. Kindly see 211. Page 211 it starts, my lord. Annexure P16.
हाँ.
And the relevant part, my lord, would see at page 229.
This inquiry report was prior to the order passed by the division bench or
Yes.
after the order?
Prior. It was placed before the writ court. It was placed before the learned single judge in the writ petition. But this has not been considered in my respectful submission.
Initially, in fact, the learned single judge has considered your submission. That has been recorded in at page number 164 itself.
Indeed, my lord.
164 come to page 164.
Indeed,
They have
my
taken note of all your submission and 164. And thereafter, the state was directed to file counter affidavit.
It's initially, my lord, I am so grateful. Initially, everything was recorded, but when the matter came up for arguments, it was disposed of.
Later on the submission made by intervener applicant, your matter has been referred to, in fact, relegated to district teachers appellate tribunal. That is the in fact mistake.
Yes, my lord. I was able to satisfy that district tribunal has no jurisdiction over such matters.
No jurisdiction, in fact, yes.
I'm so grateful.
That was in fact
I'm so grateful.
That jurisdiction have arisen only when the appointment was made and thereafter some dispute had arisen.
Yes, we are aligned some time to the state.
Let the state file a counter affidavit.
Very well.
What is your name, sir?
Mandeep Kalra, my lord. Mandeep Kalra. Mandeep Kalra.
Her learned counsel for the petitioner Mandeep Kalra through virtual mode, assisted by
Suresh Mukhia.
Learned advocate
Suresh Mukhia.
Suresh
Mukhia.
And the learned AC to AG 13. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state seeks kitna time?
4 weeks.
4 weeks time for filing counter affidavit. Put up this case on 19/12/2025. If you file your reply prior to that, try to file prior to that. Give him a copy so that if he intends to reply, or you just get hold of the review application and do the paging. The paging is not correct.
My apologies for all the inconvenience caused, my lord.
No inconvenience caused. We have learned today, but I'll go through this judgment. I don't think what you're submitting, every fact is decided based on its own peculiar facts. Every case is decided based on its own peculiar facts. But let's see, we'll go through this judgment. इसको निकालिए.
Good to hear you.
Yes.
Yes.